Trademarking a phrase costs between $250 and $350 per class when filing directly with the USPTO. But the total expense can vary significantly depending on your filing method and specific needs. A trademark is a unique identifier that connects a phrase to your business, products, or services. When you trademark a phrase, you gain exclusive rights to use it for profit in your industry. This serves as constructive notice of your ownership and allows you to take legal action against infringers. The USPTO offers three main electronic application options. The TEAS Plus costs $250 per class and is the cheapest option, but requires pre-approved descriptions of goods and services. The TEAS Standard costs $350 per class and offers more flexibility in how you describe your products or services. If you haven't used your phrase in commerce yet, you can file an intent-to-use application, which adds $100 per class when you later file your statement of use. Beyond direct filing, you can use legal websites that typically charge around $500, including the USPTO fee. These services provide basic trademark searches and application editing. While more affordable than attorneys, they generally don't handle communications with the USPTO or provide comprehensive legal advice. For the highest level of assistance, trademark attorneys charge between $1,000 and $2,000. They perform extensive searches beyond the USPTO database, prepare and submit applications, and can represent you if issues arise. Though more expensive, attorneys significantly increase your chances of successful registration. Several factors can impact your total trademark costs. Each class of goods or services requires a separate fee. International protection involves additional filings and fees. Post-application costs may include responding to USPTO office actions or filing maintenance documents. If someone opposes your trademark, legal expenses can increase substantially. Maintenance fees are required regardless of how you file. Between the 5th and 6th year after registration, you must submit a Section 8 affidavit showing continued use, which costs $125. Between the 9th and 10th year, you need to file for renewal at a cost of $400. Common mistakes include not researching similar trademarks beforehand, choosing the wrong filing option for your situation, neglecting maintenance requirements, and falling for post-registration scams that offer to publish your trademark for unnecessary fees. To minimize costs and delays, conduct thorough searches before filing, prepare complete documentation, select the appropriate TS form, track all deadlines, and be wary of unofficial communications requesting payment. The trademark registration process involves deciding how to file, reviewing current fee schedules, searching for similar existing trademarks, submitting your application with all required materials, and then using your trademark properly with the appropriate symbol. While you can trademark a phrase on your own to save money, complex situations often benefit from professional assistance. Each class adds to your cost, and international protection requires separate filings. Most importantly, remember that registration is just the beginning. You must maintain and enforce your trademark to preserve its value and protection.